Today we're going to do rhythmic equations 1. It's really important that you understand the math behind the music. So we have these addition problems that we're going to complete, but instead of using numbers, we're going to use music notation, and specifically our rhythms. So in the top left here, first thing I want you to do is always put your name. My name is Mr., last name Ostro. And then of course always put in the upper right hand corner whatever today's date is. Piece of cake. Okay. Now let's read the instructions together. It says combine all note values to complete the following rhythmic equations, and then right below it gives us some examples. And you can see here that we have a quarter note plus a quarter note, and it equals 2. Underneath that we have a half note plus a quarter note, and that equals 3. Now what that is it is showing you this over here on the right. So I'm going to highlight, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to highlight it for you. And we're going to call that a key. And all of the stuff above the line here is going to be a key. So we are going to reference everything up here in yellow to answer the questions below. Number 1 down here, it shows a quarter note plus a half note. So if you look, this is a quarter note, and it says it equals 1. So to do that, I'm going to write 1 plus, and this is how you're going to show me your work. We have a half note, and look over here, that equals 2. Okay? So that would be 1 plus 2 equals, and your answer would always go up here, 3. I'm going to do number 2. Number 2 would be a half note, which is 2. That's how you know it is. Plus a quarter note, which we know is 1. So that also equals 3. So whether the half note comes first or the quarter note comes first, as in the examples of 1 and 2, they both add up to 3. Number 3, now you shouldn't need to even reference your guide. You have a quarter note plus a half note plus a quarter note. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can do the ones 4 through 7 on the bottom of the page. I'm going to go ahead and skip to number 9. The right side of the page is going to be a little harder. So this will be 1 plus, we have a new symbol here, so this will be a whole note. We know it equals 4. Plus, we know that, and we know this. So 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write your answer. And in order to receive credit, I always want to see a complete answer. We're going to do number 10. 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. Also equals 8. And number 11. 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. So that's going to be 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I want you to go ahead and complete the rest of the page down here on your own. So that would be specifically number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And I will check your work.